It's giving. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna show you guys how I slayed this Amazon wig I ordered for $160. It is so bomb. Make sure you comment, like if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, I don't know if I want to do a middle part or a side part. I really wanted to do a middle part, but as y'all can see, I overplucked the hell out of this wig.
How you, I'm saying, how, like, talk to me, bro.
So I really don't know. I'm thinking the side part might be cute. This way. I think the side part would be hella cute. I don't know. All right, so I had to do some of my baby hairs off the camera because I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I be struggling with the baby hairs. I am not a pro or nothing. Like, I'm just not a pro. Like, and I'm actually gonna cut some of these because I want it to look. They look like two completely different types of baby hairs. And I'm kind of like in between. I don't know which one I want. Like, girl, Anyways, I'm gonna just secure this down. All right, so this is how it's looking. And I'm not even gonna lie, like I was very, very scared of how this was gonna turn out because I overplucked a lot in the front, as you can see, but it actually looks pretty damn good. Like, I think this is by far the best I've ever done. I feel you can tell on this side I plucked way more than I did on this side. But that's okay, because I'm gonna take some of these baby hairs out. Cause I don't want it looking too full. Like I want it to give like seamless, cute and seamless. Like I want to give this side the same side this side is giving. Cause I always have that problem when I do my hair. Like one side would literally just be giving exactly what I want it to give, and the other side would be lacking a little bit. But I think I did a damn good job. Now, I'm gonna just get my Super Hose Spritz Spray and we gonna spray this baby down. You gonna brush it in. We want to be as relaxed. Ooh, see how much those baby hairs. Anyways, I'm not gonna fix that. I like these baby hairs right here. I'm not trying to mess them up. Somebody's gonna belong here. All these last hairs. Anyway, I'm gonna do my spritz. Put it down. I'm gonna go to bed, so there's no point in like super sitting it down just because. Over here and sit down. Damn, I get my hot comb. Ooh, I'm really just sleeping. Y'all about this hot comb today because I didn't have a hot comb. Like, what was I doing? What are you doing? Why do I do hair and not have a hot comb? Like, it's very weird to me. So I have to buy one. Yeah, this side I really slick down the whole spray just because I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a side part, so I didn't want to like stick it down. But it's giving, like, it's giving. Wow. 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 Oh my goodness. I'm speechless. I have no words. It's giving, got it done. It's giving paid $300. It's like, nah, I would never do that. But on a serious note, I did the damn thing, and yeah. What's up with it? Like, who? What? And I'm not going to straighten it or nothing because I actually really like it like this. This is a body wave wig that I ordered from Amazon. This is not sponsored. Your girl paid for this with her own coins. $160, 26 inches. It's giving almost 30. I'm 5'3" for measurements, okay? Yeah, I did that. Don't play with me. Like, you know what's crazy? I really wanted a hair brand to sponsor me, but I was like, you know what? Let me get my own damn money. I have a job. Let me get my own money and pay for my own hair. And I'm actually so glad I did. And the thing with Amazon, you have to be very careful of the hair that you order. Because I went through so many reviews. Went on TikToks, trying to find this hair, trying to find a good wig. Amazon is just very, I don't know. Like, you have to make sure you find the right hair. And I'm so happy I ordered this hair. I saw it on TikTok. I was like, yeah, I'm going to have to cop this. No ifs and buts or maybes. I might have to cop this. And I did. And I'm so glad that I did. And you know what? Amazon shipping, it came very quick. And I'm so happy with my purchase. Like, I plucked it. I bleached the knots. Definitely overplucked a bit. But that's okay. Because look what I did. Look what I created. Something very beautiful. Something that is very much giving. But yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to know where I got this wig, I will be linking the wig that I bought in the description box below. Comment, like, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I'm really trying to start posting more. I really been just going through some stuff of my own, so I really have not been posting on YouTube. My goal is still 1K. We are literally less than 50 subscribers away, so we can definitely do this. But yeah, follow me on my socials. Like, comment, subscribe if you guys like this video. I got 26 inches. So yeah, what are you